Hey guys, how's it going? Slowest RS here, making a quick short video for all the people asking me about my LED kit. My LED kit being on the hood up here, these lights, and then I also have lights down here on the bottom. You see the little cable? I just need to tuck that in. So I'll post a link in the description about the LEDs that I got and how I set this up and how I wired it all up together. The module you get in the kit would be this here module. This module here. It's a typically plug and play kind of module, like as in there's no splicing, no soldering, no wire cutting, not much of that going on. And then of course this, I didn't want to glue it anywhere, so I just tucked it in back here like that. And so this one here, this is the power cable that connects to it. Power cable, I routed it down this way, and then over here came up this way. And then let me take off the battery cover real quick. And I wired it right here. So this is the positive. The negative, I believe I wired it right here. This is the negative. The negative, I connected it directly to the negative terminal there. First, I would recommend undoing the positive before you undo the negative, because then your whole system is going to start flickering and going crazy. One thing I did was, this kit actually came with a little DC, the one that plays into the lighter. I cut that off and I did put in that little piece, that piece right there. So I can zoom in on it. The little round connector that goes on the bolt, I put that on. And I did put that one on too. I'll make a little short, I'll put little pictures and a little guide on how to do that. Typically just break the fucking thing apart. You see which one's the negative, which one's the positive. Connect those little connectors, and then you go ahead and plug it in. It's very easy, trust me. Pretty straightforward. Route cable downwards, just one of the longest ones, routed down this way. As in, I mean this way, I mean like here, let me try to get a pretty good detailed information. So, main cable harness here goes into this four connector there. The one, which is this one, I bring it down this way, down this way, down through here, and then I dropped the whole LED down there. And the whole LED typically dropped around this area in here. I went ahead and got like a hook, or those clothing hangers, the metal ones. I got some pliers, untwisted it, made like a little hinge on it like that. I grabbed it and I slowly pull it up this way. Once I got it, I pulled it up this way. I was able to 3M it up there, no issues. Just that cable, I just gotta tuck that cable in. And like I said, for the rest, I took this off, this bolt. I took this off. You gotta take this cover, just pry it up like that. There's a bolt right there. Take that one off. And then I don't remember if I took off the windshield wiper, but if I did, you just take this plug off. And then there's your bolt right there. Make sure you make a marking, just so you know whenever you take this off, you put it exactly the same way you took it off. And then you just got to pry this off. It gets pretty hard sometimes, so you just got to use a little force. And then with that all being said and done, I was able to lift this up. You just got to clear this tab here, because this tab goes into the inside of the car. You just got to be able to lift that piece up and then just tuck in all the cables down through here. It is a tight fit though. And yeah, I'll put some night pictures of it so you guys can take a look, see how it looks. It does look a lot better if you ever go to night meets. I did a Halloween theme with them. And then, like I said, here, I just tucked this in here. And then here's a little radio frequency receiver. Oh, the bad thing about this kit is The only negative part I have is that you have to have the remote control pointing at this piece. If you don't, it will not turn on the lights. Which means if you close the hood and the lights are on, the only way to turn them back off is you opening this hood and pointing the remote to turn them off. I'm trying to make a radio frequency receiver, like a separate one, kind of like a relay adapter, that where you can just do kind of like, you know how you lock your car and unlock your car, you can just push the unlock button and it feeds voltage. But until then, this is how I have it set up. You know, typically car meets, open the hood, turn them on or turn them off. It's not that big of a pain, but it's not that convenient either. So if you guys have any questions, anything like that, hit me up. Instagram is slowest_rs, or feel free to message me on the YouTube channel. So yeah, there you go. Don't forget, like, rate, and subscribe.